Well, this morning the client came in and was complaining about stiff neck or torticollis. So we're going to be working some of the major groups of the neck, which are levator scapulae, trapezius, while the person is prone, they are face down. So what I usually do is I do a gradual approach, gradual touch, a little bit of skin rolling, no cream. I'm talking about my cream. I heat up my cream before doing any type of massage. One thing I hate is working on people or have people work on me with cold cream. It's jarring. It's not, to me, it's not relaxing. But anyway, here we go. So it's a gradual touch. Scapula, just a nice rub. No cream. We'll get to that. And then we're going to transition into a little bit of skin rolling. Contraindications is the spine. You're going to stay off the spine. But we're just going to be working these guys here while the client is prone, face down. And then one side. A little skin rolling, a little pulling. Slowly there. And just pulling the skin off that muscle tissue. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake here. And gently pull that off the spine here. Just gently, skin rolling. So you're pushing away from the spine, a little bit more pressure. It's warming up the tissues. And gradually I'm going to get up and use the palm of my hand, slowly push down. Grab the traps up here, nice squeeze. Go down and shake, shake. Of the rectus spinae group, this thick muscle here, the rectus spinae group. Gradually do the other side. My nose on the floor. So you push away from the spine here. I can lean in. But it's all very gradual. You don't want anything jarring. It's a gradual pressure using my body weight. Then, occiput right up here. See, still no cream. I'm not using any cream as yet. Back down. There you go. This is the occiput. We're going to just sit right here for a second. Again. This thing to release. Sometimes it plays with me. Just a little cream just to introduce yourself. One thing about a good massage, it is very healing. So we're just grabbing the traps right here. Slowly drag, a slow drag. A little warm cream. How you feeling there? Good. Speed it up a little. The other side. Slowly. Traps. A little bit pressure. There we go, right there. More cream. Gradually working in. My fist. Okay, that's just part one, where the client is prone. This is Mark James. Thank you for dropping in. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share.